Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best marine stainless steel hardware is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any boater, ensuring the longevity and safety of your vessel against the harsh marine environment. From cleats and hinges to anchors and railings, these pieces are constantly exposed to saltwater, UV rays, and extreme weather, making their material composition and construction paramount for preventing corrosion, rust, and structural failure. Investing in high-quality stainless steel hardware means fewer repairs, greater peace of mind, and a vessel that not only looks good but performs reliably season after season, safeguarding your investment and your adventures on the water. Number 5. 12 PCS 304 Stainless Steel Pad Eye Hooks. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these hooks offer a smooth, burr-free surface that resists corrosion and ensures long-lasting sturdiness. Each set includes 12 M5 sealing hooks, along with 24 screws and 24 anchors, providing everything you need for a secure installation. Don't let their size fool you. Each hook can support a maximum load of 400 pounds, offering exceptional strength for your hanging needs. Perfect for a variety of uses, from hanging string lights and plant hangers to even small yachts and boats, their versatility is unmatched. Install them with confidence on solid walls, wood ceilings, concrete ceilings, or brick walls for a reliable and secure hold. What we like. This option offers excellent corrosion resistance and a robust load capacity. If you need to hang heavier items like plant baskets or string lights securely, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those looking for a reliable and straightforward solution for both indoor and outdoor applications, including light marine use. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures excellent resistance to corrosion, even in harsh marine environments. The hardware features a robust design, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications on boats. Installation was straightforward, and the hardware feels very secure once mounted. Number 4. Hilitchi 570 PC Stainless Steel Phillips Screws Assortment Kit. Introducing the Hilitchi 570-piece Screw Assortment Kit. This comprehensive set includes a variety of Phillips head tapping screws for your various needs. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, these screws offer superior rust resistance. You can rely on them for durable and long-lasting results in any project. The kit features both flat head and round head Phillips tapping screws. This variety ensures you have the right type for any application. With a total of 570 pieces, this assortment provides ample supply for multiple tasks. You'll have plenty of screws on hand whenever you need them. All the screws are neatly organized in a handy plastic case. Its compartments make storage and size identification effortless. What we like. This kit provides an incredible variety of self-tapping screws in common sizes, all made from durable stainless steel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who frequently works with different materials and needs a wide range of fasteners readily available, this is the ultimate convenience. The included organizer case keeps everything tidy and accessible. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures excellent resistance to corrosion and rust, making it ideal for marine environments. The hardware features a polished finish that not only looks great but also provides an extra layer of protection against saltwater damage. Designed for durability, the marine-grade stainless steel can withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy use without degrading. Number 3. 316 Stainless Steel Locking Chain Link Connector. Secure your connections with our premium stainless steel locking chain links. They are designed to handle heavy loads and provide a reliable connection for various applications like ropes, anchors, and outdoor gear. Built for long-lasting performance, these chain connectors are incredibly strong. Our 3/8 size boasts an impressive working load of 2,200 pounds and a breaking load of 5,500 pounds. Crafted from high-quality 316 stainless steel, these links offer exceptional corrosion resistance, outperforming other grades. They are ideal for both outdoor and saltwater environments. This pack includes 4 smooth-finished, high-grade stainless steel quick links with precision tapping. They are designed to stand the test of time and are available in multiple sizes. As a family-owned American business, we are committed to providing premium quality products. We stand behind your satisfaction with our reliable accessories. What we like. This is the top-tier choice for harsh environments, especially saltwater. Its superior 316 stainless steel construction offers exceptional corrosion resistance. If you're working on a boat, dock, or any application exposed to the elements and require a connection that can handle significant weight and resist rust, this locking chain link is your best bet. What people say. The stainless steel construction ensures excellent resistance to corrosion and rust, making it ideal for marine environments. The hardware features a polished finish that not only looks great but also provides an extra layer of protection against saltwater damage. Designed for durability, the marine-grade stainless steel can withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy use without degrading. Number 2. Stainless Steel Pad IU Hooks Plus Snap Hooks, 8-pack. Introducing a set of high-quality marine hardware, crafted from durable stainless steel. Enjoy a smooth finish, excellent corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance. This convenient 8-pack includes everything you need. You'll receive 8 pad I-plate U-hooks, 8 snap hooks, and 16 mounting screws for easy installation. Each pad I-plate features an enclosed hook and a robust M5 strip, designed for secure mounting. They are well constructed to reliably support loads up to 40 kilograms. These versatile hooks are perfect for a wide range of uses. They are ideal for ceiling and wall mounting, as well as for applications on small yachts and boats. Easily install them on various surfaces including wooden or concrete ceilings, and brick walls. They are suitable for securing everything from hammock chairs and plants to ropes and chains, indoors or outdoors. What we like. This set combines a secure mounting point with a versatile connecting hook, offering a complete hanging solution. If you need a convenient and durable way to attach ropes, chains, or other items for both stationary and dynamic use, this is perfect. It's well suited for those who appreciate having both components included for immediate installation on walls, ceilings, or boats. What people say. The stainless steel construction provides excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for marine environments. The hardware features a robust design that ensures durability and longevity even under harsh conditions. The smooth finish and precise manufacturing of the hardware contribute to its high-quality appearance and functionality. Number 1. Seachoice 3/8 Forged Stainless Steel Eye Straps, Set of 4. Introducing our multi-purpose forged stainless steel eye straps. These are perfect for a wide range of uses, both on your boat and around your home. Designed for reliability, they provide a strong point for securing and holding down your items. Keep everything in place with confidence. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these eye straps are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to the elements. This set includes 4 eye straps, giving you plenty of options for your projects. You'll have the hardware you need on hand. Whether you're out on the water or working on home improvements, these eye straps are an essential addition. Their versatility makes them a practical choice for many applications. What we like. This option provides a simple yet strong solution for securing items in various settings. If you're looking for reliable anchor points for general-purpose use on your boat or around the house, these eye straps are a solid choice. They are designed for straightforward installation and effective load management for everyday tasks. What people say. This is a great product that is made of high-quality stainless steel, which makes it very durable and resistant to corrosion. The design of the hardware is sleek and modern, and it is very easy to install. It also has a secure locking mechanism that ensures your belongings are safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.